Hey YouTube, so I have the Echo Dot here. This is $50, so let's get into this and let's go. So it comes in a plastic wrap that you just, right here. I didn't rip it too well. But any way you do it, pull it off, drop that to the side. There is a tab right here. Before we even pop in the, sticky something on me. Before we even, the heck did that come from? Before we even plug in or pop open the dot itself, we see this. It says, Alexa, play today's hits on Pandora. Wake me up at 6 a.m. Dim my lights. And yes, I am getting the Philips Hue, the first generation, because it was cheaper. So that's coming later. So you can do Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Alexa voice service. So basically, you connect this to Wi-Fi, you can do all this stuff for the Alexa voice service, and you can connect it to Bluetooth to either your stereo, your Bluetooth speaker, or you can do the AUX cable. So explore skills including Pandora, Spotify, Amazon Music, Fitbit, NPR, Insteon, Philips Hue, Friends of Hue, Wemo, and more. And I heard you can do the Samsung Smart Things, and that's what it's called. It has an Amazon 2nd generation, power adapter, 9-watt, and USB charging cable, micro USB. So, with 7 microphones, far field voice recognition. So, it knows basically, with this far field voice control, it knows if you have an Alexa already, an Amazon Echo, not the Dot, just regular. They don't know if you are farther away from this or you're farther away from the Dot, which one you're closer to, and it will just select each one. So if you say Alexa, play music, it will play your music, but it'll select which speaker to play from. So we open it up. It's pretty cool. There's a tab right here. Let's just pull it open. I expected this to actually be heavier. So you get here, along with your Dot, you get cool packaging. You get this. Okay, blah blah blah. I really don't care. Okay, so connect either through aux or Bluetooth. Blah blah blah. And then this is the thing I want, things to try. Now I'm not going to have it buy me things, but volume 5, 1 through 10, I'm not going to have it buy me things like laundry detergent, paper towels, because I don't really buy things. So that's right here. Then there's a micro USB cable. Could have been better if they sprung for USB Type-C, because that actually is becoming a lot more popular today. Then you get a 9-watt, usually very expensive cable, or just plug. I couldn't remember the word for it. I'm definitely not keeping the box unless this thing is defective. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to, hitting my camera, straight away just plug this into my wall. It's over there. Holy crap, that is a long cable. Now, that has to stay here. This thing has a pull tab. Oh my gosh. The ad is nice. So there is 7 microphones, volume up, volume down, minimum microphone just to be able to sense where you will sense more. There's a pause, stop. This one is a little raised so you can feel the, I don't know if you'll see that, but you can feel the bump. Then there's a microphone. Feel some sort of bump there. So volume down, volume up. There's micro USB and there's aux. Then the speaker is right down here. There's a built-in not so good speaker just because it's a Dot. It's meant for just being able to have your Echo wherever you want it. Then your Dot, you just put all throughout your house and you control your smart home through it. So now we're just going to plug it in. And I've downloaded the Alexa app, so we're going to set this up together. And you'll probably see it lights up blue. That's getting things ready according to their manual. Orange is a good sign. Oh, did you hear that?
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So you open up the Alexa while it's blinking orange. And I do need to plug this in, but that's besides the point. So, the glare from outside. So I'm going to let this load. For some reason, just not loading fast. Loading, loading, loading. Turn off battery saver, maybe that'll help. There we go. Now there's an orange ring. I don't know if it actually looks like it. So begin setup. Choose your device. So they have 3 devices. The Echo, the Tap, and the Dot. The Dot's $50 now. Select language. Continue. Can connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure your Echo Dot is plugged in and power outlet. So this is too big for this because it's supposed to used to have the old slidey one. So they just get part of the picture. Blah blah blah. Blah. Continue. Attempting to connect to Echo Dot. So if I really wanted to, I can press the cancel setup button. I'm not going to. But it is connecting, as you can see. And it says this may take up to a minute. Hope it takes less because I really want this to finish. But once it's done, I will go through saying, Alexa, play music, or shuffle my music, whatever I'm supposed to say. Which will be done through here, and I'll learn more as time goes on. It's taking too long. Oh. It couldn't connect to it, so I have to go right here. So basically, you know, someone else.
You've connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
Oh, but Amazon XPR. I'm just. I want to connect to my Amazon XPR. Scanning, connecting. Okay, never ask for this network. Connected to the XPR, let's go.
You've connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app. You've connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app. Wi-Fi isn't set up on your Echo Dot. For help, go to your Alexa app. Wi-Fi isn't set up on your Echo Dot. For help, go to your Alexa app.
Oh, what the? This is so confusing. Now it's purple. This is so confusing. Don't see the orange light ring.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app. You've connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish
There
the
we
setup in your
go.
Alexa
Scanning,
app.
I'm gonna type in, oh. Choose a different network. Gonna let it rescan. Choose my 5G. Now I'm gonna connect to it. And it should actually connect faster than this. I've seen them a lot faster. That was so confusing. And this is just the simplest little device here. It has a good enough speaker. Alexa. Can't speak to it yet. Alexa, how are you? Not yet. This may take I've seen it not take I've seen it take like 30 seconds. Yay. I don't want to.
Now it's easy to add Alexa to any room in your home. To get the attention of your device, say the
No, we'll all be back when this is all. Now that we have that settled with, we can say Alexa, and the blue ring will show up. How are you? Alexa, how are you?
I'm good.
Alexa, what can you do?
For help with what you can... Your Echo Dot received an important update and must restart. It'll be ready again shortly.
Well, that stinks. I guess I better wait again. Okay, so my Alexa is back on from that update, so I'm just gonna say, Alexa, who's your daddy?
I was made by a team of inventors at Amazon.
Alexa, what is your volume at?
Sorry, I'm having trouble. Please try in a little while.
Alexa, set volume to 7. Alexa, beam me up.
Transporters engaged. Welcome aboard.
So the Alexa was already set at 7 automatically. So Alexa, play some Prime music.
Here's a station you might like. Alt-J.
She may contain the urge to run away, but hold her down with soggy clothes and breeze blow.
Alexa, next. Alexa, play some no copyright sound.
I couldn't find songs by the copyrights in your music library. To hear artist stations, link your iHeartRadio account using the Alexa app.
Alexa, play NCS on YouTube. Alexa, stop. So, Alexa, shuffle my Alexa, stop. No. Alexa, shuffle my dinner party playlist.
Shuffling the playlist, Christmas Dinner Party.
Alexa, stop. I don't even know how that got in there. So I'm at just reading off of this. Next one. Alexa, play my Miles Davis station.
The station Miles Davis.
Alexa, what song is this?
This is So What by Miles Davis.
Alexa, buy this song.
Adding So What by Miles Davis to your music library.
Well, Alexa, stop. Let's hope that didn't charge anything. I guess it's in Prime Music already. Alexa, play the program Radio Lab.
Getting the latest episode of Radio Lab. Here it is from TuneIn.
This is Jim from Coon Rapids, Minnesota.
Alexa,
Radio Lab is supported.
play ESPN Radio.
98.7 FM ESPN New York on TuneIn.
It's that come into play when you're pitching.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, set an alarm for 7 a.m.
Alarm set for 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Alexa, turn off alarm set for 7 a.m.
7 a.m. alarm canceled.
Alexa, set an alarm for 9:17 a.m.
Alarm set for 9:17 a.m.
Okay, so it'll go off at 9:17. Alexa, what time is it? Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 9:16 a.m.
So it'll go off in approximately a minute. Alexa, set a timer for 5 seconds.
5 seconds, starting now.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, order laundry detergent.
Amazon's choice for laundry detergent is Tide Pods Original Scenty Turbo Laundry Detergent Packs 81 load tub. It's $19.03 total, after a discount of $2. Would you like to buy it now?
No.
All right. Check your Alexa app for more options.
Okay. So now we're going to do Alexa, buy more paper towels.
Amazon's choice for paper towels is Brownie Paper Towels, giant 24 count.
Alexa, stop. Because I don't want to order any paper towels because I don't need them. Alexa, tell me a joke.
The past, present, and future walk into a bar. It was tense.
Alexa, I am bored.
TV is chewing gum for the eyes. Frank Lloyd Wright.
Okay, those are very... Alexa, you are dumb.
Sorry, thanks for letting me know.
She is stupid. Those jokes were just bad. So, Alexa, Wikipedia Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln was an American politician and lawyer who served as the 16th President of the United States from March 1861
Alexa,
until...
stop. Alexa, who is Asher Schwartz?
I can't find the answer to the question I heard.
Alexa, play my flash briefing.
Here's your flash briefing. An NPR technology podcast from TuneIn.
This presidential election year has tested the limits of free speech on
Alexa,
Twitter.
stop. Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Long Beach, it's 44 degrees with partly sunny skies. Today's forecast has mostly sunny weather. With
Alexa.
a high of 52.
What's the weather in Far Rockaway, New York?
Right now in Rockaway Park, New York, it's 41 degrees with
Alexa.
partly sunny skies.
What is the weather in Far Rockaway, New York?
Right now in Far Rockaway, New York, it's 44 degrees with partly sunny
Alexa,
skies.
how is my commute looking?
To hear your traffic information, go to your Alexa app and set up your commute.
Alexa, dim hue lights to 30%.
I couldn't find any smart devices on your
Alexa,
network in Ashland.
turn on the fan.
I couldn't find any smart devices on your network in Ashland's
Alexa,
account.
stop. So the last three I don't really need to do yet. Alexa, pair my Bluetooth.
Searching. I don't see anything to connect. Check the device you'd like to use, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. To set up a new device, go to your Alexa app.
Alexa, pair my Bluetooth.
Searching. I don't see anything to connect. Check the device you'd like to use, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. To set up a new
Alexa,
device...
stop. Alexa, what can you do?
For help with what you can say, take a look at the Things to Try section in the Alexa app.
Okay, so there's one thing that I told my friend about, and he was very skeptical. So I'm just gonna do it now. stop. You can press that button to either play, stop it,
Here's a station you might like.
stop. So you can go like this. Alexa, Simon says I am a poopy face.
I am a poopy face.
Alexa, what is my name?
This device has only one account, Asher's.
So it doesn't say Simon says, it doesn't do the Simon says at that point. It only does it when you set it. So you can get the voice remote, you can press it, you can say Simon, Alexa, Simon says I am going to kill you.
If you want me to repeat something you said, say
I am going to kill you. Mwah ha 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 ha.
I wasn't able to understand the question I heard.
Simon says I am going to kill you. Mwah ha 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 ha.
I am going to kill you, ha 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 ha.
So you can just set it to do stuff like that, and then this mutes it. And then unmutes it. Hi.
Hi,
Go F yourself.
that's not very nice to say.
Ha, I showed you. I don't care. Well, this really dragged on longer than I expected to, but there's not much more to do. So, bye.